can be seen. 4 seconds, 3. Hello guys! Welcome to Aniceto Nanyo's YouTube channel, and you are watching our 51st live stream music recital. And today you will be witnessing music performances from my piano and voice students. And now, please welcome Pia.
Hello everyone, my name is Pia, a piano student at Nanyo's Music Studio. I am from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Special shout out to the Cometa family, Agraman family, Grandma and Grandpa, and Tita Pinky, and my mom, and my mommy Carol, and Daddy Fiery, and Ate.
Pia, let's give a hand to Pia. Okay, from Mommy Carol at the back. Thank you so much po. Let's give a hand to Mommy Carol. Friends si Carol. Then it's me, it's the TV. Thank you for tuning in po. Okay. Someone, all right? It's the TV. Clarice. Hello, Clarice is that's there. All right? And then Mami Glenna Bantala from Riyadh. Thank you for tuning in po. And we have Go Pia from Jairus. Thank you for tuning in. And we have again Pinky Cometa. Wow, very good. Thank you so much po for the support to Pia. And we have Mami Ruth Sargento. Thank you so much for the support. And of course, yeah, all of them are here and witnessing the beautiful performance live, okay, here at Nanyos Music Studio. At this juncture, we will now proceed to our awarding of certificate. But before that, let me shout out also the mom and dad at the back, Daddy Fury and Mommy, and Mommy who's also shouting out at the live comment. And then, of course, Ate is there. Ate, can you wave your hand? All right. Okay, so later on, we will have a screenshot of this family picture with Teacher Nice. Let's move on. Certificate of Achievement. So this Certificate of Achievement is proudly presented to Pia Caroline C. Agramon for having successfully completed the Piano Adventures Level 2A Sight Reading, Theory, Lesson, Technique, and Artistry and Performance. And for dynamic and active participation in this 51st season's live stream music recital, given this 21st day of March 2025 at Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed, Edna L. Nanyos Mac DTS LPT, and yours truly, Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr., MBA LPT. So this is your certificate. Congratulations, Pia. And then there's one more certificate that is coming from Piano Adventures Exams. All right, so Piano Adventures Exams and Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. These hereby certifies that Pia Caroline is officially awarded the Level 1 Exam Certificate for Excellence in Theory dated March 5, 2025 from Faber Piano Adventures. Signed, the owner of Piano Adventures Exams, Nancy Faber and Randall Faber, and yours truly, Teacher Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr. So congratulations, Pia, and keep it up. So we will put this certificate here, yeah, and then the other one here. Yeah, hold it. And we will have a screenshot of this. So Mommy and Daddy and Ate, look at the camera and we will have our beautiful screenshot. Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3, smile. Yeah, thank you so much. And again, special shout out to all of you. Meron pang humabol, i-shout out natin sila. Jeanette Tapel, congrats Pia. Thank you so much po, Jeanette Tapel, for what's that, Tapel? Right. And we love you, Pia. And then we shout out also Gia. Congratulations, Pia. And then we need to shout out also Clarence Pasqua. Congrats, Pia. Thank you so much po for tuning in, Clarence Pasqua. And then, congratulations, Pia, and to the proud parents, Jeanette Tapel. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in and watch out for our next performer. Stay tuned. Don't go away. Bye-bye.